Hello, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make something super fun and super relaxing. A Zentangle art ice cream using only a black pen. No colors, no eraser, just patterns, lines and lots of imagination. So grab your black pen, relax your mind and let's turn tiny patterns into a cool ice cream masterpiece. Ready? Let's start drawing. Okay, while we draw, we have something cute short story for you. As we start filling the ice cream with Zentangle patterns, imagine a bored ice cream sitting in the freezer. It looked plain and simple. I'm just simple and not special. Then a black pen arrived and whispered, "Every line has a magic. Every pattern has a story." With dots, curves, and tiny shapes, the ice cream slowly woke up. Each pattern gave it a confidence, and soon it realized being different makes you deliciously special. And just like that, our Zentangle art ice cream became the coolest artwork ever. And wow guys, look at this amazing Zentangle art ice cream. So detailed, so relaxing, and all made with just a black pen. Yes, if you like this calm and fun drawing with me, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more easy Zentangle and cute art videos. And comment below and tell me what we should draw next. Okay? Till then, keep drawing, keep smiling and stay positive. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye.